Now here the question is, we need to find sum of the series cos 2x upon 1 into 3 plus cos 4x upon 3 into 5 plus cos 6x upon 5 into 7, and this series it continues up to infinite, which we can also write it in terms of this summation, which is summation n varies from 1 to infinite cos 2nx upon 2n minus 1 2n plus 1. So we can also write it as 1 by 2 and then this summation n varies from 1 to infinite cos 2nx, and this is 1 upon 2n minus 1 minus 1 upon 2n plus 1. If we'll consider z as cos x plus iota sin x, then we can write this series s as 1 by 2 into real part of this series, which is summation n varies from 1 to infinite z to the power 2n upon 2n minus 1 and then minus 1 by 2 real part of summation n varies from 1 to infinite z to the power 2n upon 2n plus 1. Now from this first series I'll take z out, and in the second series I'll multiply and divide it with z. So we can write this series as a real part of and then z by 2 and then this summation n varies from 1 to infinite z to the power 2n minus 1 upon 2n minus 1, and here I'll multiply and divide with z. I'll write 1 upon 2z summation n varies from 1 to infinite z to the power 2n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1. Now we need to find the value of these two summations. Now if we look at this first summation, which is summation n varies from 1 to infinite z to the power 2n minus 1 upon 2n minus 1. So we know that this is z upon 1 plus z cube upon 3 plus z to the power 5 upon 5. So for that what we can do is we can write the expansion of log 1 plus z, which is z minus z square by 2 plus z cube by 3, and then we can write the expansion of log 1 minus z, which is minus z square by 2 minus z cube by 3. Now we'll subtract this second from first. We can write this expression as log 1 plus z upon 1 minus z, and this is 2 times z plus z cube upon 3 plus z to the power 5 upon 5 up to infinite. So value of the series is 1 by 2 log 1 plus z upon 1 minus z. What about this one? The second series, which is n varies from 1 to infinite z to the power 2n plus 1 upon 2n plus 1. So this actually is z cube upon 3 z to the power 5 upon 5 up to infinite. So it is the same series except for this first part. So we know that this series will be 1 by 2 and then log 1 plus z 1 minus z and then minus z. Now we'll put the value of these two summations in this given series. So we can write it as s equals real part of z by 2. Now for this first series we know that it is 1 by 2 log 1 plus z upon 1 minus z and then 1 minus 2z, and for this second part we can write 1 upon 2 log 1 plus z upon 1 minus z and then minus z. Now what we'll do is we'll take this log 1 plus z upon 1 minus z together. So we can write this as the real part of, and then I'll take 1 by 4 log 1 plus z upon 1 minus z common and then here I'll get z minus 1 upon z, and then if we'll multiply this minus 1 by 2z with minus z, we'll get plus 1 by 2. Now we'll try and simplify this expression. So we know that z is e to the power iota x. So we need a real part of 1 by 4 log 1 plus e to the power iota x upon 1 minus e to the power iota x, and here will be e to the power iota x minus e to the power minus iota x, and then plus 1 by 2. Now for the expression inside this log, what we'll do is we'll divide numerator and denominator with e to the power iota x by 2. So then we can write this as real part of 1 by 4, and then log it is e to the power minus iota x by 2 plus e to the power iota x by 2, and here we can write it as e to the power minus iota x by 2 minus e to the power iota x by 2. This is e to the power iota x minus e to the power minus iota x plus 1 by 2. So now we know that e to the power iota theta plus e to the power minus iota theta is 2 cos theta. So we can write this as 2 cos x by 2, and here in the denominator it will be minus 2 iota sine x by 2, and this is cos theta plus iota sin theta minus cos theta minus iota sin theta. So it will simply be 2 iota sin x and then plus 1 by 2. So we can write this as real part of 1 by 4 and then log. Now 2 and 2 will cancel. Now this is iota cube iota 4. So it will be iota cot x by 2 and then 2 iota sin x plus 1 by 2. Now we can write this as a real part of 1 by 4, and here it will be log iota plus log cot x by 2 and then 2 iota sin x plus 1 by 2. So now we know that iota is e to the power iota pi by 2. So we'll write log iota, its principal value will be iota pi by 2. So we'll replace it with iota pi by 2. We can write this as real part of 1 by 4 iota pi by 2 plus log cot x by 2 into 2 iota sin x and then plus 1 by 2. Now from this expression we'll need its real part. So we'll get real part when this iota pi by 2 gets multiplied with 2 iota sin x, and then we also have this 1 by 2. So we can write this series as, so we have this 1 by 4. Now iota pi by 2 into 2 iota sin x. So 2 and 2 will cancel. So we'll get minus pi sin x and then plus 1 by 2. So the sum of the series is minus pi by 4 sin x plus 1 by 2. That is the answer to this question.